First, there was Dogecoin, and then there was Shiba Inu coin. And now there is Boss Token. So I've been teasing on Twitter, on YouTube, about a meme coin that I've been developing. This is that coin. This is Boss Token. So you may have seen this thumbnail and saw the 1000x gem in the thumbnail, and you may be thinking I've gone insane. Now, I realize that that's a bold claim, that I think my meme coin that I developed is going to 1000x, but I genuinely do think that is going to be the case. In fact, I've made bold claims before about meme coins. In fact, I was working on marketing Shiba Inu in the early days, and I learned quite a lot from what the developers were doing at the time. People said I went mad when I was talking about Shiba Inu replacing Dogecoin and 1000xing half a year ago. And yeah, it's kind of turned out to be true. Now, I'm not saying that it's an absolute guarantee, a slam dunk, that my meme coin, Boss Token, is going to get a $1 billion plus market cap. Of course, it's absolutely not guaranteed by any means, but I am confident that it can reach a $1 billion plus market cap for a number of reasons. So first of all, the branding. Now, I chose Boss Token as the name. First of all, because I think it works in with the Shiba Inu looking cool with the gold chain and the sunglasses. It just looks really cool in my opinion, and definitely memeable, which is the whole point of a meme token. Now, you may be thinking, oh well, this is just another dog coin. Wrong. The difference is, this Shiba Inu has sunglasses. This chart will demonstrate why I think Boss Token is a better coin than Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu doesn't have sunglasses, it's not as cool, whereas Boss Token has sunglasses. I've also taken the tokenomics of SafeMoon. I have the 5% redistribution to holders, which means if you hold tokens, 5% of all volume, all transactions gets distributed into everybody's wallet according to how many tokens they own. There's also going to be a 5% of each transaction that is put into the liquidity pool. Now, that is something that is going to be very useful as the project scales up and it just gets bigger and bigger. Another thing is the dev wallet situation. So as it stands, the dev wallet is 5% and the rest is 45% into the fair launch. Basically, anyone in the community can buy up that 45%. There hasn't been any pre-sales or ridiculous pump and dumps that I've got planned. No, it's literally me and my devs that know about the launch of this token, and that's it. So if you're watching this video, like just as soon as I uploaded it, there's going to be a lot of people buying into that coin and basically becoming whales as we speak. And to be honest, I think that's the best way to go, because there's so many projects that just basically themselves because they have a pump and dump with the pre-sales. They have all these people that buy in to the pre-sales and then they dump as soon as it launches. I didn't want that situation. I just wanted to raise liquidity out of my own pocket and basically get the ball rolling with my own money. I don't want to destroy Boss Token just because I'm too cheap to put in my own liquidity, and that's what I've done. As you can imagine, the token is going to be on BSC, and the reason for that is the fees are so cheap. Now, when it comes to meme coins, I really don't see the point in building a token that is not on BSC right now because of the Ethereum gas fees. They can just be so absolutely insane. During the heyday of Shiba Inu token, it was basically built and it got big when gas fees were a fraction of the price that it later became. You know, there was a point in time when Ethereum gas fees were like hundreds of dollars just to make a transaction. I think that's pretty unacceptable, and when we get to the later stage of this bull run, I think it's going to be a similar situation with Ethereum. I think some of these tokens are just going to be so freaking expensive to transact, and it's going to price retail traders out. The cool thing with the Binance Smart Chain and trading coins on PancakeSwap is that transactions are a few pennies. Like, it's really great for the retail trader, and I think it's a no-brainer to build a token on BSC instead of Ethereum. SafeMoon did it, and that's a big meme coin that got, I think, over $10 billion in market cap, and that was BSC too. In terms of safety, like, there isn't that much to worry about in terms of rug pulling. I know that people are very freaked out about rug pulls when it comes to meme coins, and you know, I've been there before. I've bought a lot of insane gems that have gone up by a huge amount, but I've also bought a few rug pulls. I think a way to stymie this is, first of all, to have locked liquidity. So I'm planning to lock liquidity for 4 years. I couldn't really rug pull even if I wanted to. But also the contract code is going to be audited. I've got an audit processing right now. And if you go onto Gem Protocol and scan the contract, you'll see that all the functions are in the whitelist. But more importantly is the fact that I'm the founder and I'm the guy that is going to be giving updates about the token. I can't rug pull, but let's say I did. Now I've got a target on my back. Now the SEC is going to extradite me, and yeah, I don't want to go to America and go to an American jail. Either that or I'll get assassinated in the street, I don't know. But either way, it's not a good idea to rug pull people if you're showing your face like I am. You know, you've got that going for you, which is way more than most meme coins. In fact, I think TechLead, he launched his own meme coin, and he wasn't even a crypto YouTuber. He was giving updates like I plan to give updates about my coin, and he got his coin to, I think, $250 million in market cap. You know, I'm planning to pay for marketing out of my own wallet. I'll do frequent videos about the coin, and so on and so forth. The point being is that I'm not just starting this meme coin for a quick $10,000, $100,000. No, I'm looking to get this meme coin to over $1 billion in market cap. I genuinely believe that this is going to be the next huge gainer when it comes to meme coins. You know, like you hear these success stories of people buying Dogecoin in the early days or Shiba Inu in the early days, like I've spoken about a million times on my channel. Well, I think this is one of these opportunities. By no means is this a security or a legitimate investment. This is super volatile. There's a fair chance that you'll lose money buying a meme coin like this. But in my opinion, I think the potential upside is so much that it really outweighs the negatives and the risks. The worst case scenario is the coin is going to crash and lose pretty much all its value. But the best case scenario is way more than just 2xing the money you put in. If you put in money at the same time when I bought Shiba Inu, $200 would have gotten you $10 million at its peak. So keep that in mind. The upside for Boss Token is so freaking insane. As of this recording, we're not even listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, or let alone any centralized exchange. So as of this recording, Boss Token is super early days. So yeah guys, I have no idea what the launch of this coin is going to be like. As I said, it's a fair launch, anything can happen. You could buy $100,000 worth of this coin and the price would skyrocket. I don't know. The point being is that it's going to be a fun and bumpy ride, and I'm going to give updates about the coin, both good and bad, and basically have fun trying to create the next Shiba Inu coin. So if you want to check out this new meme coin, go to bosstoken.com, or you could check out the Telegram in the pinned comments down below. And I'll see you in the next video.